welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a quick CurlBox unboxing for the month of July. I received this a couple of days ago and I wanted to go ahead and film this for you guys and get it up before the month of July ends. If you want to see what's in my July CurlBox, please keep watching. Alright, so for those of you who do not know what CurlBox is a monthly subscription where you pay $20 a month and $5 shipping, and you get natural hair products shipped to your door every month for the total of $25. And it is full size. You never know what you're going to get until you get it in the mail. Hence, I have not opened this box yet. I just took it out of the brown box, but I have not opened this, so I don't know what's in this box. I do know that the box is usually black and gold, but this month it's pink and black, so I don't know if this is a special or if this is just how, you know, the new packaging is or whatever, but I'm here for it. So let's go ahead and open the box. When you open the box, oh, well, number one, my box is like leaking or something. I just noticed that. It's not wet, but it's kind of dry, like it's damp. I don't know. That usually doesn't happen, but it happened this month. But you get a CurlBox pamphlet here, and it kind of gives you a breakdown of what's in the box. And ooh, it's Cream of Nature. I like Cream of Nature a lot, but this is their honey line here. So when you open the tissue, you get all of these products. Like, seriously, y'all, this is $25 a month, and you get all of these products. Like, oh, I'm so excited. Alright, so I found out which product was leaking, and it was the shampoo. You can see the residues kind of like hanging out. So my shampoo kind of leaked out. It's about to right here, but it's not enough for me to complain about. So you get the moisturizing dry defense shampoo here. I can't wait to try this out. I've seen a couple reviews on this shampoo, and everybody says how good it is. So I'm going to try out the shampoo. You also get, let me see, a hair mask. You get the moisture and replenish hair mask here. Excited to try this out. Let me see if it smells like honey. Ooh. So this is the consistency of it. It's kind of runny. It don't smell like honey. To me, it smells like a hair product. Okay, next you get the Not Away Leave-In Detangler here. And it's in the packaging. The packaging I'm here for because it's in a honey bottle. Like this, it looks like a honey, like it's honey, you know. But you get this, but you get a detangler that you can use. I don't know if this is a leave-in or what, but it's a no. This is the leave-in. So you get a detangler and a leave-in. This is the breakage leave-in conditioner. Okay, and then you also get the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. These are all full-size items here too. So you get the twisting cream. I can do a good twist out on it. And let's see if it can, oh, this is like some thick stuff. Wow. Wow. This is really thick. Twisting cream. This is some really thick stuff. And last but not least, you get the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Infusion Edge Control Gel. I like Cream of Nature's Edge Control. I usually only use Eco Styler Gel to use it, but to be honest, I used this today to lay my edges down. So this is the Cream of Nature 24-hour Edge Tamer, and I like this one, and then this one is for the honey line. So I would like to see if these are the same or not. They like that pomade consistency, so I don't know, but I like Cream of Nature a lot. So I'm excited to try these things out. If you guys want me to do a review on this line, I would love to do it. As a matter of fact, I still may do it, even if you guys want it or not. I still may do it because I really been wanting to try this out. This came out maybe 3 months ago, so I'll be a little late, but I don't really care. Oh, this is why, because it's not all the way screwed down. That's why it was leaking out, because it was kind of halfway open. But yeah, so I'll try out this line and film it for you guys probably in a couple of weeks, because I have some other videos lined up to film for you. But I want to come on and get this video out before the month of July. I am a huge fan of CurlBox. I love CurlBox. I've been getting it for over a year now, and I've never been disappointed with my CurlBox at all. And I don't plan to stop it anytime soon. So if you guys are interested in enrolling in CurlBox, you may do so. They only do it, I think, on Saturdays at like 9 a.m. They send out emails before they do it. I'm not, you know, on the PR list, or like I don't like work for CurlBox. This is just something that I genuinely love, that I continue to make videos about. I've already done a video comparing the CurlBox and the Curl Kit. If you want to see that video, just go ahead and click up here so you guys can get a kind of, you know, the comparison, the pros and cons between a hair company, no, a hair subscription, to compare the two to see which ones, you know, I like best. I'm not gonna ramble on any longer. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you in my next video.